free money, free resources, and a free webinar. So stay tuned. All right. So let me jump right on in tonight. Oh, let me start with the money. No, wait, I'm going to hold off. You got to stay tuned for the money. Okay. But I do want to share with you that tonight is my webinar on investing in your first property with none other than the incredible Rashana Scott. She has her own women's membership talking about all things real estate and mentoring program called Infinity Membership. She is known as the Investor's Realtor. She has another, she's also known as, and she's going to come on us everything you need to know. But we'll get a of the things you need to know to invest in your first property. So that's a don't miss. You need to attend. It is free. You go to enterpriseesquire.com/events and register. That's tonight at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So just a little bit over an hour from now. And it goes for 1 hour until 7. Please note, I do not send out replays. If this is free, you need to show up live. Okay. So don't miss this information. It's going to be a great discussion for those of you all who are thinking about getting into real estate investing, whether you want to flip or whether you want to buy and hold, such as for a rental. Okay. So 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, enterpriseesquire.com/events. So let me show you that really quick, just so you all know what we have going on. All right. So this is Rashana Scott. Join us tonight. All right. Next, I am letting you know that I am speaking this Friday at the New Life Covenant Southeast Empowerment Exchange. Time this Friday. The entrepreneurship and business structure and understanding what then I want to share with you all that next week we have a fantastic speaker, Miss Donna Rogers, and this is for the youth about generational wealth, about legacy, but that really isn't ingrained until we get our kids involved at an earlier age. Some of us got involved in saving money and creating wealth so late into our adulthood. But to create true generational wealth, we need to have our kids started at an early age. So Donna Rogers wrote a new book called Who Got the Keys? It's for teen and youth. Right, your teen and your youth can invest in real estate. There's no age limit that you have to restriction that you have to be before you. We're going to talk about teen and youth real estate opportunities and hard money lending and more. So don't miss this. This is next Wednesday at 6. This is for teen, you have a youth who has an entrepreneur. To various charities, nonprofits, sponsor nonprofits. And so every year I try to do something different so I can reach a broader spectrum of people and business owners and people who are really trying to not only build wealth for themselves, but build up their communities. And we can all use a little help. So I have started business grants and I am giving these grants out quarterly. So those of you all who apply this first round, do not be dismayed if you don't get one. You have 3 other chances just this year to apply. The application is super simple. You can go to my website at enterpriseesquire.com/grants. Click the button to apply now. And there's so many things that you can do with this. So this time I'm giving out 2 $500 business grants, so a total of $1,000 just this quarter. And then we'll do it again for next quarter, right? So there's just a variety of things that you can do with $500. A lot of people are like, no, I can't. I can't do anything with $500. How am I supposed to do something with my business for that? And I want to tell you all that you share that with you. And I think the true entrepreneur. So let me show you can pay for an email like Zapier so that you're not, you can buy dollars for a website for a whole year on Squarespace. Now imagine having that taken care of. What about content creation? Having someone help you create the content that's going to help you sell your goods or your service or your programming, pay for a videographer, a photographer, social media marketing assistants, graphic design, a virtual assistant. Can't stress that enough. A bookkeeper, even pay for legal services. Hello. Incorporate your business. So many of you all are out here without incorporating your business, with having all that exposure, liability exposure, and no protection for your assets. Or you can make a plenty of things that you can do with $500. And this is just a partial list. So please, let someone you know who's trying to build their business know about this grant. Have them apply. enterpriseesquire.com/grants. Okay. So that was the money part, you all. Free money, you all. No strings attached. Just apply. I am so proud and so happy to be offering that to my fellow entrepreneurs, small business owners, and solopreneurs who are out here really trying to do the best that they can with what they have and want to have an impact on their communities. Okay. Lastly, I want to tell you, I'm so proud to have finished my ultimate guide to this Illinois series LLC. This has been long in the making. Okay. So I'm so glad this is here. For your business, you can just convert that interest to you. This is information. You all know me. I don't do fluff or filler. This is straight out of the box information so that you all can know how corporate flexibility, and they want to have tax savings, and we cover it all in this one guide. Talk about whether it's manager or member run and what the difference between the two is. We talk about flexibility classes, removing members, adding members, everything that you could imagine is in this guide. Cost savings if you choose a series LLCs. The ongoing maintenance costs. And sometimes that's a little bit elusive to people, but I want you to know I've put it all here laid out in this nifty graphic for you. Okay. We'll talk about the operational here in this. Master can have an EIN and each series can have an EIN. Yes, they're separate businesses, separate entities. We're going to talk about separate accounts here, and of course the operating agreement. I go into great detail on the operating agreement because that is what runs your business, what you have to abide by if there's any issues with the members. This guide has everything, people. That's why it's called the Ultimate Guide to the Illinois Series LLC. And we're going to get in taxes. I've had at least 3 calls this week talking about taxes and this Series LLC. So I go in, I talk about how the master can have a different tax designation from the series. The series can have different tax designations. You can make it work for you. It is flexible. So if one, maybe it's best to have that tax doesn't and one is the right business for you. So download my guide. Is on what business you want to do, you want to create, and your business growth. Or maybe you're in the middle of your business and you need to pivot. We can talk about that as well and moving forward. There's no one size fits all in business formation. It really depends on what your goals are with your business and what it is you want your future to look like. Okay. So I hope you all download this wonderful guide, the Ultimate Guide to the Illinois Series LLC, up on my website, enterpriseesquire.com/freebies. Then book your free consultation. I cannot wait to talk to you all about this. Please reach out to me to help you on your road to success, and hopefully just a glimpse of these resources, which are all will benefit your family, help you build wealth, and create a legacy. I'm Alexis Hart McDowell. I'm owner of the law Enterprise Esquire. Reach out to me at enterpriseesquire.com. Take care.